A recipe for success. Success is like baking a cake. Unless you have just the right recipe, it is not going to work. The ingredients must be of the finest quality and in right proportion. You can't overbake it or undercook it. Once you have the right recipe and with practice and the occasion's disaster, it becomes a lot easier. What is the difference between persistence and obstinacy? The difference is that persistence represents a strong will and obstinacy represents a strong want. You have the recipe to use, it is your choice.